Did you know that the pizza industry is worth billions of dollars? No thanks to people like me who won't stop ordering it. Anyways, welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be making pizza for dinner with a prepared pizza mix that I got from the shop. Today I'm craving pizza, Sha. I don't know. Yes, something was craving pizza. People that know me, they know that I'm a pizza girl. Like I'm down for pizza any day, anytime, and it's always Domino's. I love pizza. And also I have so many pizza recipes on my YouTube channel, so you can check those out. The videos will be somewhere on the screen right now. I was shopping and then I saw this at Asda. It's pizza mix. I saw the Asda and I just thought, let us try it. So usually when I'm making homemade pizza, I would use tortilla wrap, which I also have tonight, and or make my own dough from scratch. But I saw this at Asda and I just thought to try it. I'm gonna try to find the price because I don't think I checked the price, but it wasn't expensive. I'm gonna find the price again and then put it somewhere on the screen just so that you have an idea how much it is. But I feel like it's definitely budget friendly. And if you feel like you're struggling to make the dough from scratch or you want to make homemade pizza, then maybe I could recommend this at the end of this video. We're gonna find out. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is put on your apron. Jesus, take the wheel. I'm using this surface thing that I got from Amazon. I like using it when I'm baking, making stuff. Oh my god, I haven't made chin chin in so long. I need to make that soon. But anyways, I can't play my music right now because of YouTube, and I'm not trying to get another copyright strike. I have one on one of my videos from like 2 years ago. I'm not trying to get another one. So I've got the 100 ml of water and I'm gonna add it to the bowl now. It says mix in 100 ml. Mix in 100 ml. So is it now? Because this empty the content into a bowl. Mix in 100 ml. So you mix it into the water into the mix. Let's just add the 100 ml. Guys, you know that sound? It was at this point she knew she messed up. Yeah, that's exactly how I felt after pouring in that water. Let me know what team you're on in the comments below. Are you team add the water first or add the flour first? Which one is it? After this, I just followed the instructions on the back of the thing, and it said to knead for 5 minutes. I did mine for 10 minutes though because I felt like it wasn't soft enough or elastic enough. This process is so long. Like, kneading takes so much energy. It's a whole gym session, bro. A whole gym session. So after I felt like I had done enough, I was just testing the bounce back effect to see if my pizza dough is ready, it's smooth, it's bouncing back, you know. And then the next stage was to roll out the dough. And I love this surface as well because it tells me how many inches my pizza is. So it kind of like keeps you guided. And I'm trying to make it into like the most perfect circle I can do. This surface also has measurements and conversions. I'm even speaking like they're paying me for this advert. If I can find the link, I'll put it somewhere in the description box. But if it's not there, I'm so sorry. I couldn't find the exact one, but it was from Amazon anyway. I did put this to sit for about 15 minutes in a warm space and just rise. And then I went up to my chicken. I added some chicken seasoning and I just heated up some oil, very small amount because you don't need that much. And please, full YouTube channel, please, just calm down. This oil was hot. I just don't like when it gets really smoky and then the kitchen is just coffee left, right, center. As you can see, the chicken was actually cooking. And I'm just chopping up my peppers. Now again, I'm doing this process on very low heat because I really don't like smoke and you don't want it to just get burnt and it's not cooking till the middle. You kind of want to give it time to cook. So the pizza dough did rise. I wouldn't say it doubled, but I could see the difference obviously. And I'm using a fork to make holes just so that it actually cooks, like the crust. I keep saying the word cook and I hope that's correct, but you get the point. I'm using barbecue sauce because it's my favorite sauce. You can use whatever sauce you prefer, or you can even do a mix. That would be very interesting to taste. I'm using mozzarella cheese because I believe that it's the best cheese out there. I feel like I didn't use enough though when I did taste the result. But yeah, you don't have to use as much peppers as I am. I really like peppers and I really recommend it for you as well. I placed this in the oven and then I realized that I missed out the sweet corn. So I had to bring it out of the oven and add some sweet corn as well. Let me know in the comments your favorite toppings for pizza. I decided to clean after and just have my favorite ice cream, Ben & Jerry's cookie dough. If you're having caramel or something like that, please, side eye, move, side eye. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I brought out my pizza, looking brown and delicious, the absolute right way to have pizza. And I just kind of like cut it into slices. And I'll be telling you guys more about the pizza. I really like how it turned out, really. I've been having ice cream. My voice is feeling a bit but pizza is ready. I thought that I had garlic and herb sauce, the Domino's one. I thought I had one still left in the house, but I can't find it. Yeah, I don't like eating pizza without Domino's garlic and herb sauce. You know, even sometimes if for some reason I really just have to eat pizza from another place, it doesn't taste so bad when you use Domino's sauce. After making my own pizza and tasting it, of course, here are a few things that I would change just because I want you to make the absolute best pizza. So I would add a little bit more sugar, so maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons worth, or teaspoons worth actually, because I think the measurement that I used was teaspoon. So I had like ×3 of the measurements that I used. And of course, I would add a little bit more barbecue sauce. I would add a little bit more cheese. I would add less veggies actually because it did overshadow the chicken. And definitely I would grill the chicken just because the oil will not be able to affect the pizza, because I feel like sometimes I could really taste some sort of oil, some quantity of oil, and I didn't really like that. But I loved the pizza. The pizza dough was absolutely perfect. And here's me just pressing it to show you guys that the pizza dough really cooked and it was really good. I'm also going to break it to show you guys that it was cooked perfectly even till the middle. So if you use the settings that I used and baked it for this long, it should be fine. Let me know if you do try out this recipe. And of course, I'm giving a very high recommendation to this pizza mix because it's the bomb. It's absolutely good. Just add a little bit of sugar and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you're going to try out this pizza recipe, or you can try out my many different pizza recipes and let me know what you think. Remember to like, comment, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.